Welcome back to our channel. Storm Rider. The 2026 Bismarck Battleship is one of the most advanced naval surface combatants ever produced, blending modern engineering with historical inspiration to create a ship that represents the peak of 21st century maritime power. Built with a length slightly over 310 meters and a displacement hovering near 85,000 tons, it stands in the class of super capital vessels designed not just for presence but for full-spectrum dominance across sea, air, and digital warfare environments. From a distance, what immediately sets the 2026 Bismarck apart is its sharp, faceted hull geometry, engineered to scatter radar waves and drastically reduce its detectability despite its enormous size. This stealth-oriented shaping, combined with radar-absorbent composite layers applied across the exterior, allows the Bismarck to appear on enemy radar screens more like a medium cruiser than a full-scale battleship. Beneath this stealth shell lies a dual-reactor nuclear propulsion system designed not only for power but for sustained endurance. These twin reactors generate enough energy to push the ship at speeds of roughly 30 to 34 knots even in heavy sea states, while simultaneously powering its extensive array of advanced sensors, electromagnetic weapon systems, high-energy lasers, long-range tracking radars, and onboard computing architecture. Because the reactors supply massive continuous electrical output, the ship can maintain energy-hungry weapon platforms, like railguns and laser defense systems, without compromising propulsion or life support stability. The ship's weapon suite is engineered for long-range precision and layered defense, giving the Bismarck the ability to engage multiple threats across different altitudes and distances simultaneously. Its primary offensive weapons are twin 500mm electromagnetic railguns, located in armored turrets reinforced to handle the stress of repeated high-energy discharges. Each railgun fires hyper-velocity projectiles at speeds exceeding Mach 6, giving them incredible accuracy and minimal reaction time for targets at distances of 200 to 250 kilometers. Because the projectiles rely purely on kinetic energy rather than explosives, they are safer to store and enable rapid multi-shot firing cycles supported by automated loading systems. Complementing the railguns is an extensive vertical launch system capable of deploying a variety of missile types: long-range cruise missiles for precision land strikes, hypersonic anti-ship missiles designed to overwhelm advanced defenses, and multi-stage interceptor missiles tuned for aerial threats such as hostile fighters, bombers, drones, and incoming ballistic or cruise missile attacks. The ship's defensive weapons include high-energy laser arrays placed around the superstructure to create a full 360-degree envelope capable of neutralizing drones, small boats, and close-range missile threats with near-instant response times. These lasers, fed directly by the ship's reactors, provide effectively endless ammunition as long as the ship receives power. Below the waterline, the Bismarck carries advanced undersea warfare systems including a next-generation sonar suite built into the bow and hull, allowing multi-layer detection of submarines, mines, and underwater drones. This sonar network feeds into onboard AI-assisted processing units that can analyze sound signatures, filter out noise, and identify patterns much faster than human operators alone. The ship's torpedo systems, combined with anti-submarine rockets and deployable underwater drones, ensure underwater dominance and proactive defense in hostile waters. While its firepower is impressive, the Bismarck's real strength lies in its survivability. The hull uses a layered structure, combining titanium alloy framing, carbon nanotube composites, and reactive armor tiles designed to absorb and disperse impact forces. Instead of one thick armor wall, engineers created a multi-layer system that handles different types of threats: kinetic, explosive, and directed energy. Inside the ship, its critical pathways, including communication conduits, power trunks, and command centers, are fully compartmentalized with blast-resistant barriers. Automated fire suppression systems and repair drones move through service shafts to detect damage, seal ruptures, apply temporary armor patches, and control hazards without requiring crew exposure to danger. This allows the Bismarck to remain operational longer even under sustained attack. Digitally, the ship acts as a floating command center. Its integrated AI-assisted combat management system continuously analyzes radar contacts, sonar returns, heat signatures, electronic emissions, and satellite feeds to create a real-time 3D model of the battlespace. Instead of overwhelming the crew, the system prioritizes threats, recommends responses, and predicts enemy maneuvers using advanced pattern recognition. Communications are protected by quantum encryption, preventing interception or spoofing even during high-intensity electronic warfare. The ship's sensors include multi-band radar arrays capable of tracking hundreds of air and surface targets simultaneously at extreme ranges, giving commanders early warning and extended reaction time. The Bismarck also supports a small but capable fleet of VTOL drones and reconnaissance mini-helicopters, each designed to extend the ship's surveillance radius far beyond the horizon. These aircraft can switch between reconnaissance, jamming, and precision strike roles depending on mission requirements, allowing the ship to gather intelligence or engage distant threats without using missiles unnecessarily. Inside, the Bismarck is designed for extended missions with improved comfort and efficiency. Crew quarters feature modular designs, quieter ventilation systems, vibration reduction, and more spacious layouts compared to older warships. Automation reduces crew workload by handling routine mechanical tasks, diagnostics, supply routing, and damage control actions, minimizing fatigue during long deployments. The bridge uses holographic displays, touch-sensitive control panels, and voice-activated systems to streamline operations and reduce clutter. Even in the engineering deck, digital monitoring systems allow engineers to manage reactor output, propulsion status, and power distribution without being physically present near hazardous machinery for long periods. Altogether, the 2026 Bismarck Battleship is not just a weapon platform but an integrated ecosystem of power projection, defense, intelligence, and command capability. It merges historical symbolism with futuristic engineering to create a vessel that reshapes assumptions about what a modern battleship can be. Whether operating independently as a deterrent force or serving as the central command vessel in a large naval group, its combination of stealth, firepower, resilience, and digital warfare capabilities makes it one of the most versatile and formidable surface combatants ever built, embodying a new era of naval dominance and strategic flexibility designed to remain relevant for decades to come.